What's up? Welcome to another episode of Uncut Conversations with Ria. I am your girl Ria, and in this episode, we are going to discuss about success. Let me ask you a question. Close your eyes and ask this to yourself. How do I define success? I'll just give you like 10 seconds. Close your eyes. I'm serious. Close it. Close. What is it that defines success for me right now? Open your eyes. What came up? Is it money? Is it fame? Is it like I gotta have this car then I'll be successful? Is it when I buy this nice pretty house then I'll be successful? What came up for you? I am 110% sure every person would have a different definition of success. Am I right? Yes, I am. Pat on my back. Every person has a different definition of success. Do we all agree with this or not? Each one of us had some definition of success which we have been conditioned since we were little children. Because according to the society, if you have wealth, if you have a house, if you are very, very rich and very famous, you are successful, my friend. But no. Even if you don't have all the wealth in the world, even if you don't have the conventional success, you are successful. Why do we say to a kid who has flunked his 12th standards board exam and we just label him unsuccessful? Like, please get lost. Why? Who are we? Who are we to judge his or her capabilities basis on a stupid exam? And that makes him or makes her think that maybe he or she is not successful in life, and maybe they are not meant to do the things that they are supposed to do. Maybe they are not meant to achieve the greater goodness of life. My dad is a retired government employee. He is not that rich, not that famous, but according to him and his ideology, he is super successful, and I am so proud of him. Success means very, very different to each individual. I have imagine I am working at Google and I just decide to quit it one day and go to Rishikesh and like become a monk or something. Would you label me unsuccessful? You might, because you have been fed into your brains that if a person does not have a good job, if a person does not have money, if a person does not have his or her own business, if a person is not earning well, for women, if she is not having a family, if she is not married, if she does not have a child or children, they are not successful. For guys, it's job, it's money. For women, it's family. Who has given you the right to judge whether a person is successful or not? You can be successful even if you don't have your dream job. You can be successful if you don't have the love of your life with you. You can be successful by just being you, by just being yourself. You are successful. Nobody can define success for you. You have to ask yourself. You have to ask yourself whether you are successful right now and or not. And trust me, the answer that you're looking for is yes. You are successful regardless of the material things of the outside. Please don't trust the opinions of the society. Don't trust the opinions of your parents, of your friends, because they have been conditioned in a way that makes you feel inferior, that makes you feel incomplete, that makes you feel miserable. You are amazing, and wherever you are right now, in whichever phase of life you are, if you think you are not successful, just close your eyes and thank each and every opportunity that has come your way. Thank the place that you're staying at. Thank the food that you're eating, because when you think about it, it's what success is. You are here on this planet. You competed with so many sperms and became like a fetus, and you were born on this planet Earth. That is something to be celebrated every freaking day. So just remember that if someone says you are not successful enough, girl, you are amazing, and you are doing so good, and you're gonna accomplish everything that you set your heart to. Just close your eyes, take a few breaths, and believe you are successful. And why am I like stressing on this fact that believe you are successful? Because there's this thing called placebo effect. When you think you are something, you become something. That is for another video. That's on psychology and law of attraction and everything. So if this interests you, I would happily make another video on this topic. So I hope you are thriving, and I hope you are living, and I hope you are gentle with yourself.